folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today we are featuring the Razen by Firebelly. This stove is imported from England, so it is an import for us. This is going to be our latest cook stove for 2020. So in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to replace the door gaskets on the stove. It is easiest if you can remove the doors and take them off, because then you can lay it flat to get it done. Otherwise, you can do it, because technically to take these doors off, you do have to remove the cooktop, which can be a little bit tricky if you're not super strong. So in our case, in our video, we are going to be taking off the door and doing it laying down flat. So first you want to definitely make sure that all of your edges are cleaned out. If there's old gasket cement in here, you should make sure to clean out any excess chunks before you lay your gasket. Got our high temp silicone sealant in our cooker, and we are ready to go. Rated to 500 degrees is what the temperature rating is. So it's a little bit difficult to see the silicone because this is a black color. So you also want to be sure to clean off any excess cement that's left over on the gasket, if there was any. And then once our silicone is in place, we go ahead and we stick the gasket on top. And then once you get it all secure into place and make sure your edges are lined up, then we'll let it dry a little bit before we go ahead and reattach it to the stove. So now that we have our gasket replaced, we will go ahead and reattach the door. And we are all done. Glass and our gaskets replaced. So I really hope that you guys find these videos helpful. If you do, if you like our videos, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Check us out on Facebook for all of our latest updates, articles, video posts. God bless. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.